In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update your job title on LinkedIn. Whether you've recently gotten a promotion, switched roles, or just want to make your profile more appealing, updating your job title is a crucial step. Let's dive into the details of how you can do this in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to be on LinkedIn. So, head over to LinkedIn's website. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to log into your account. You'll find the Sign In button located on the homepage and just click on it. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. You can easily reset it by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the LinkedIn homepage. From here, it's time to navigate to your personal profile. This is where all the editing magic will happen. Look for your profile picture or your name on the top bar. Clicking there will take you straight to your profile page. On your profile, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This area lists all your current and past roles. Find the position whose title you want to update. Once spotted, you'll notice a pencil icon next to your current job listings. This icon is essential because it allows you to edit and update your details. Now, go ahead and click on Edit Experience. This opens up an editable form with fields like company name, title, location, and dates. Here is where you can change your current job title to reflect your new role. Simply click on the title field and type in your new job title. Be sure to use an accurate and concise title that aligns with your responsibilities and role. This not only helps with your visibility, but also in connecting with individuals looking for professionals of your caliber. After you've entered your new job title, double-check the rest of your job details to ensure everything is up to date and accurately reflects your current position. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button, usually located towards the bottom of the form, and click on it to update your profile with the new information. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile is now updated with your new job title. It's that simple. Regularly updating your profile is a great way to keep your network informed about your career progress. Plus, it enhances your online professional presence, making sure you're putting your best foot forward in the digital professional world. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure your LinkedIn profile stays as dynamic as your career is. Until next time.